Good afternoon. It is April the 18th, 2018. Time to wrap it up for today and take a look at tomorrow. Trading. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representations being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we've been over this several times today. Selectivity kills. This is the trade that we talked about. Run it up before the day session open. Take it down, knock the weak length out, and then rally it. And that's pretty much what happens. So the trades as they happen: 1, mean green, 2. We were participating here. 3, retest failure anywhere in here. Scratch, buy, out of the market up here, plus. We weren't too interested in the short side of the market, but that is a trade right there. So that one would have been plus if you took it. No worse than a scratch right here. Little retest failure, plus. This B on the 3-bar rule, a 0. Little retest failure here, probably 0. So just in the trading that comes before noon Eastern is the trades that we're interested in. Those are the ones that we can get in. Everybody that wants to, has to be there, is there. We stand a pretty good chance of making some money off of it. So right now I'm guessing we're going to see new highs before the close. Can't guarantee that'll happen, but everything is pointed higher. And if we look at the F1 screen, higher low, higher high, find a place to buy it. We look at the F2 screen. We'll go back and change it and bring it a little. Span it out a little bit. And you can see we have a P with volume over time right here. So we got a pretty good chance in the last hour of trading to take the market higher. That said, if we fail to take out and hold 25, I think the market's a sell. So we'll play for 19s to 24s in Globex tonight for sell 1, 29 to 34, sell 2. On the buy side, 6 to 11, buy 1. 96 to 01, buy 2. And we will certainly refine those in the morning. News tomorrow, jobless claims 2:30. No one pays attention to that. Philly Fed 20.1, that one could come in lower than forecast. LEI plus 0.3, probably right there. And then nat gas inventories. Last week it drew 19 BCF, so something greater than 20 BCF, but again, only natural gas traders will pay attention to it. So I think tomorrow's number is the Philly Fed, and whether we can take out 27.25 or not. Wouldn't it be something, though? Criminal referral for Comey, Clinton, Lynch, McCabe, and Rosenstein's recusal demanded. Just what about some of these people that have been above the law for so long actually getting caught and having to do what the little guy has to do? Fess up and pay up, one way or the other. If that were to actually happen, like a clean house back there, I think it would make the economy grow even faster than it's slated to grow right now. Okay, treasuries, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. The market is trying to trade lower. Double distribution down. So probably a D split is correct. Had a B here, had a B there, had a B there from the preceding day, have a B here. That's our last P right there, and we weren't able to take out the high. And when you take a look at volume, this is kind of the key level right there. It's not this one, it's the one that comes prior to that. So if we can build volume below 9.5, the selling has a chance to develop. Tomorrow's news is really nil. 7 to 11 sell 1, 15 to 19 sell 2. On the buy side, I think we're headed lower, so we'll put down 29 to 01 for buy 1. See if we can get there in the overnight. If the Emini makes new highs this afternoon, it'll be pretty easy. If Emini doesn't, maybe we might be buying 4s. But with this house recommendation, it has to be acted upon now. And we'll see if it actually happens. And the powers that be will guarantee you that Podesta, the Clintons, everybody in the swamp, both sides of the aisle, will be probably fighting this. But we started off a long time ago where everyone was equal under the law. And it's certainly been changed of late. Okay, we've had a couple of distributions lower right here. We like the short side of the market. We had 20 to 24 picked out as resistance, so that worked out very well for us. 28 to the buck, number 1. 3 to 7, sell 1. 11 to 15, sell 2. 24 to 20, number 1. 13 to 17, buy 1. 1 to 5, buy 2. Gold. Gold has been stronger than the news would say it should be. And so I'm guessing the trading range is a 1325, maybe 1365 market right now. Higher low, higher high on 50 on the F1 screen. Find a place to buy it. It's not explosive to the upside. I mean, people aren't falling over themselves to get long gold. So this 55 area, then probably the 65 is where the selling is done now. And you can see back over here, 40. 40 is probably pretty good support now. 40, 45 is probably pretty good support. And 60, 65 is where resistance is. Definitely a B in the congestion area, so it's going to try to trade lower in London overnight. So we'll let them go down here. We've got volume here. We've got volume there. Got volume here at 40, at 50. So 48 to 50 buy 1. That's very, very aggressive. Pretty much where we were this morning. 44, 46 buy 2. On the upside, 54, 56, sell 1. 59, 61, sell 2. Our number 2 sell zone this morning was 59 to 61. The high happens to be 59. We love our number 2s. Crude oil off to the races, and we're getting great buying after the day sessions close. Saudi Arabia, $70 to do the Aramco deal. I just don't see any way that we don't get up there. Get over 70, we'll see what the Aramco deal, if it gets done and what it brings. So this last rotate up has come from the IEA report saying that the supply glut is over. It's been absorbed. So in London tonight, 68.75, 69, really like the long side better. Sell 1, 69 1/4, 69.50, sell 2. Next structural sell will be at 70. So we'll have a 69.98 limit sell out there. Be a good place to take profits. On the buy side, the breakout came at 18. We're at 62, so 25 to 50 buy 1. That is very, very aggressive, but the market is trading up. And then 75 to 68 even for buy 2. And looking at the euro, you know, we don't get a lot of news out of Europe about interest rates, about the taper. Most of the economic news that I read shows that the European economy is softening. And that so we have an inside day right here. That tells us to find a place to trade it tomorrow. And leaning B right here, last rotate up, stopped at 35. Then at 45, at 50, so we'll make 40 to 50, sell 1. Maybe 35 to 45. 65, 75, sell 2. Take a piece of news to get up there, I believe. We're at 25, so we'll make 24 even, 24.10 buy 1. And it may take a 25 to get in. I don't know. I'll highlight that. And then 23.75 to 85 for buy 2. Oh, it's a lot of writing. Got it all done. Hey, came a little easier today than it did yesterday. But we're having to work for it this week, and what we're dealing with is lower volatility in the Emini, pushing us to the edge of the market. So we know how to handle that. That's not a big deal. Appreciate your all's support, comments, etc. See you bright and early in the morning. I'm out of here.
You have a quick question?
Let me stop the tape. Whoa, Scott, let me stop.